Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I am going to give you the ultimate overview about the ARVIN, the ultimate AI logo maker that will help you to create different types of logo. And this ARVIN application is available in Android devices, that means in Google Play Store and also in App Store, so you can actually access this ARVIN through your iOS devices. So here you can see it can actually create different types of logo that with the help of AI. So you can find the AI letter logo here, and also some make your own beautiful logo here, create logos like AI logos from here also. So you can find some beautiful logos that actually as the stock logo in the ARVIN. And if we talk about the review, then the review is pretty much good here, like 42.7K reviews, and the total approximately it got the 4.5 star review on Play Store, and in App Store it got the 4.6 star out of 5 star with the 43.7K ratings. So the review is pretty good, but recently some updated you can see that some updated reviews are not so good here, like 3 star, 2 star or 1 star. Recently it is going through a downfall, but it is actually worth it to use on your devices to get some better and some gaming logo or some corporate logo, some company logo, some any type of logo that you want to add. Also you can create some esports logo from here that look pretty cool with this ARVIN AI logo maker. So you can find different types of logo from here that is pretty cool. You can also use the AI logo creator here. So also learn the AI also help you to create some logo. So that's all about the ARVIN AI logo maker. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.